everyone, welcome back. For those of y'all who don't know me, my name is Camille Batten. In this video, I'm going to be testing out this Amazon foot peel mask, so let's jump into it. This is Amazon's exfoliating foot peel mask, and it comes with 3 masks for about, I think, around $10, which is not bad at all. So the back of the instructions on how to use this, it says the lavender exfoliating foot peel mask is a form of wearable socks filled with active fluid and vitamins. Put on the mask as you would socks. It exfoliates and peels your skin, removing calluses and dead skin cells, visibly and smoothing your feet within 2 weeks. So I'm going to open it up and I'm going to show you how to use it. So this is what the socks look like. So it looks like there's actually liquid in there. So let me read further. So it says, after cleansing and drying your feet, take out the foot mask from the pack and cut along the dotted line. Wear the socks as you would normal socks. Once wearing the socks, please massage the mask against your feet to make sure the cream spreads all over your foot. Close the socks with the tape and seal and wait for about 50 to 90 minutes. Take off the mask after 50 to 90 minutes, throw it away, massage the feet thoroughly. The skin will start to exfoliate between 5 to 7 days after the application. It will depend on the skin and condition and thickness. Tougher skin will take longer to exfoliate slower, and the skin is tougher, recommended for a second application for better results. So this is it. I guess we're going to cut on this dotted line. So I got my scissors. This is the dot line. Fixing to find out. Okay. Alright. Okay. So I'm going to put this one aside. Alright, so open it up and there is like 2 cloth pieces that are in the sock, and I'm just going to put my foot in the middle of those cloth pieces. I don't know if you can see it, like that, and then I am just getting it and getting the little tape that's on it. Now I probably should have done better setting up the camera, but we're just going to go with it. Alright, so there's the tape on it. I feel like I got liquid on my hands. So I actually just got some socks to put on it as well. Alright, there. So it is actually tighter on my skin now. Alright. I'm going to put on the other one. And I'm going to wash my hands after this just so my fingertips don't start peeling as well. I just got done putting on the foot peel mask and I set my timer for 90 minutes. I have it on for the longest recommended amount of time because I am a runner and I have really thick calluses, so hopefully that will work better. So I'll keep y'all updated. Now I'm basically done with this foot peel mask. I do have some dead skin on the bottom of my feet here and there, but nothing too major. And I don't want to pull it because I don't think it's ready, so I'm just going to let it be because I don't want to hurt the bottom of my feet. I will say though that I jumped in the shower last night with my exfoliating mitts and scrubbed the bottom of my feet because I had dead skin that was just hanging. I know TMI, but I just want to get off the bottom of my feet. I will say though that this is the first foot peel mask that I tried that actually worked in a short amount of time. Other foot peel masks that I tried actually start working around 7 days. This basically worked less than 7 days, which is good. good. And it also started peeling like the top layer of my feet, like a flakiness effect. Not to scare you, but I guess since of the sock type wearing mask, it just of course worked everything, which is good because no other foot peel mask did that for me. I did try other foot peel masks, and I'll link them down below so you can see the effect of what it did to the bottom of my feet. I am a runner, so I have really thick calluses, so I'm glad this comes with a 3-pack, so I have 2 other applications to use after this one is fully done. Other than that, it's $10 for a 3-pack, so you can't beat that. So definitely try it out if you want a good foot peel mask. So if you enjoyed this video, please give me a thumbs up. Until next time, bye guys.